should've put you somewhere where no one could find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know.
Welcome back, guys. Here with one of the faves again, Luvme here. You guys know that I promised to the Luvme here, you know we're about to get into a really high quality glueless wig. Like, I got this rat tail comb and it's branded Luvme. Got a drawstring bag, which is great for storage, that's branded Luvme as well. I got the Luvme VIP rewards information like booklet. I also got this edge brush and comb, some stickers that you can use, I guess, to label your wig. Then I have this Luvme branded elastic headband. I have a pair of HD wig caps, always come in handy because it's HD, you know, it's very great quality, so love that. I have a Luvme user's guide. This is the wig we're working with today, guys. It's the ombre blonde highlighted silky straight glueless bob wig that we're working today, guys. It's an ear-to-ear lace structure, but for the most part there's like a wide lace parting, so it's not like a full-on lace front. If you notice, the construction of this is like an inch in the front of the cap that's lace, and then for the mid portion, like the middle part of the lace, they did a wide lace parting, so it's not a full-on lace front. All right, also the length of this wig today is 10 inches long. It's a really good HD glueless lace wig. Okay, glueless lace part wig, and it's already bleached. The knots are already bleached, so everything looks really good and realistic. Just look at that. You see that? Looks very natural. We love a natural looking wig. It's pre-plucked as well, lightly pre-plucked. All right, the hair feels really silky and soft, so you know we have to love that. And it's a nice blunt cut vibe. Love that. And it's a medium cap as well. Inside of the wig looks like this, as I just show you with the whole construction of the lace. And there's a total of 3 combs in the cap. There's also this adjustable strap. Okay, so you can adjust it to how tight or loose you want it to be. And adjustable straps are also in the back, so you can make it tighter or looser. It depends on how you want it to be. I just adjust the straps in the back, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and slip this on. Pretty easy, it's pretty straightforward. I'm really excited, so let's get into it. Slip it on. It's actually a side part that the wig has, and so far it feels very secure on my head. So what I'm gonna actually do is cut away the excess lace. It's a little too long, so I'm gonna cut off the extra on the sides.
I should've put you somewhere where no one could find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires. You got that fire, and I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees every time you had to talk beside. I'm in that 8 and then one of the different prior. I try to pay all your loans off and copy you a drive. I had to stand too close to the city. You acting too vulnerable living this life. I still walk your way from before I copy.
I usually do something to keep the sides laid. So you guys know I'm gonna take my lace bond spray and just, you know, kind of tack it in place. Not too much product, and that's the only area that I'll apply product. I'll leave the rest of it because it's melted really nice. And if there's any cast, I feel like there's just a little bit of cast, I'll take a little bit of my face powder to camouflage that. So that's what I'm gonna get into right now. So just a little bit. This is the Red by Kiss lace bond spray. I just take the tiniest bit of that.
You wanna be my number one? You're not acting like the main thing. I let you play my number two. You barely made the second change. Put you somewhere where no one can find you.
I'm all done with just applying a little bit of my lace bond spray on the side of the lace on the ear portion. So all I'm gonna do is take some of my face powder. We're not doing any swoops, any baby hairs, none of that. Okay, and I'm tapping the powder onto the lace.
Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know, I know. You got desires, I know, I know.
That looks so good. Like, who would know that this isn't actually like that this doesn't actually have any adhesive whatsoever on it? Look.
You got desire. Hey. Self-control is helping you think. Don't think it'll help if there's a ring with a dollar. Where I'm from, exerted so the clean. You come from a city where there's lean with the dollars. How the fuck you keep so many seats? How you going vegan but still beat vegan? How the fuck you see so many beaches? Tickets to them places don't go cheap. I see it back in the church. Remember we took it in first. Get it? Got you a whip. We ain't got back on the shit. I had to tell Eric go get it. I'm always moving too fast. The feeling don't last. I feel like you take me for granted. Probably my fault for the way that I handle it. I should've put you somewhere where no one can find you. Passion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know, I know. You got desires, I know, I know, I know. You got desires. Ooh, shawty, you tried it. Voice getting filled with entitlement. Why would you tell me those lies? Why would you make it so bold to my face? Why is stories all over the place? Whole lot of secrets friends don't keep safe. Where did your friends all go? I can't solve your problems. You say your problems never needed solving. I was too good till you should've stayed silent. Nice guys always finish off where they started. Deja vu, you wanted things and you got it. Deja vu, I wanted smoke and I got it. Deja vu, deja, deja.
Some people are gonna think that I'm crazy, but I don't care. All that matters to me is Isaiah.
Tell me this install isn't super neat. Like, it was so convenient. You guys saw everything for yourself. No glue whatsoever. Only applied some spray on the ear portion to keep it in place. Super straightforward, very easy. The lace is very nice and undetectable. It's always gonna be a win when you go the glueless wig route, because you still have the option of applying glue, but ultimately, if you don't want to feel pressured into having to do any product and you still want to hear your wig to look slayed and realistic, then you don't have to worry about having to do all of that or even having much knowledge on wig installation. That's what I love about glueless wigs so much, and I just think they're the best when it comes down to wigs overall. Again, I 10 out of 10 recommend this bob. 10 out of 10. The cut, everything is done well, like perfectly. It's professional. It looks professional. It looks like I went to the salon and got my hair done. Okay, yeah, it's gorgeous. Shout out to Love Me Hair. Guys, I'm going to be sure to have the direct link to this wig in my description box, all the specifications, so go ahead, check that out. If there's any deal available, that will be listed as well. That's it for today's wig look. We found this informative. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next videos. Until then, just go and make up on yourself.
Got the ass to the floor.